So let's look at the SYS Generation 3 toolboxes. You're going to notice that they're available in M series and also L series, and they both come in the 137 and 237. The first thing obviously is the handle. It's no longer stationary. You can fold it forward out of the way or backwards out of the way. That's perfect for racking systems. But also you're going to notice on top these little holes. So when you're storing, your screwdrivers or your pencils, you have some quick access there on the job site. Also, the inside doesn't have any barriers. It's completely open. So you can notice here as I take this off, on the 237, you can actually fit a full gallon of paint in there uninterrupted.